y'all, Rick Sky here, back again with another tankless water heater video. Now within this video I've got the Rheem right here. This is the Rheem natural gas tankless water heater, and you can expand this video's description and then click the link there to find where to order it online. But within this video what I want to talk about is adjusting the standard temperature. Now I'm going to throw out all the disclaimers, this, that, and the other, read the owner's manual, be aware of the dangers associated with hot water, blah, 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 blah. But with that being said, this water heater by design, this tankless water heater, will max out at 120 degrees Fahrenheit temperature. So if you have the need to go warmer than 120 degrees Fahrenheit, you can't do it from the EcoNet app until you've done it from the console. Now, by the way, subscribe, ring that bell, and check out my separate video where I explain how to pair the EcoNet app with a Rheem tankless water heater that has built-in Wi-Fi. And by the way, like I said, expand this video's description, click the link there. You can find a unit like I'm using that does have the integrated Wi-Fi. But if you want to go more than 120 degrees, there's this up arrow and down arrow. Obviously, up would increase. So by pushing up, you can go beyond 120 degrees Fahrenheit. I like to keep mine at 130, but with this particular Rheem tankless water heater, you could go as warm, or I should say as hot, because 140 degrees is hot. You can go as hot as 140, but I found for my personal preference, 130 degrees Fahrenheit to be optimal. Again, that's 10 degrees warmer than the factory max, but that's how you've got to do it. You've got to, if you want to go warmer than 120 degrees Fahrenheit, you've got to do it from this physical control panel. And you may, the first time you do it, you may have to perform a long press of this up arrow before it'll go beyond 120 degrees. So I hope this video helped you with your Rheem tankless water heater. If it did, hey, send me a super thanks. You can find that thanks button down below this video, not required. But if you choose to do so, that's a good way to pass me a tip. And I mean, heck, potentially saved you a very expensive service cost. So thanks for your viewership. Subscribe, ring that bell. And if you're shopping for a tankless water heater, like the one I'm using, which I highly recommend, expand this video's description and then click the link there. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Rick Sky here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.